Best eSIM UK. How to buy an eSIM in the United Kingdom for 2025. I'm going to tell you how to buy the best eSIM for the UK in 2025. If you're visiting the UK or just want a local data plan without a physical SIM, eSIMs are a quick and reliable option. Start by making sure your phone is unlocked and supports eSIM, then download an app like Airalo, Saily, or SIM Local. Jetpack is also a popular pick. For example, SIM Local offers 100 gig with unlimited UK calls for about $25, while Jetpack has 10 gig for $10. Saily plans start around $4, and Airalo offers flexible packages like 10 gig for $37. Once you've chosen your provider, just purchase the plan inside the app and scan the QR code, or follow their install steps, then restart your phone.